Exercise 4.5, problem number 10. Solve d square minus 10d plus 25y equal to 4e power 5x plus 5. So in this problem we have to compute the complementary function as well as the particular integral. So first we have to take the auxiliary equation. All the d can be transformed as m square minus 10m plus 25 equal to 0. So this expression is a minus b the whole square formula. So m minus 5 whole square equal to 0. M minus 5 into m minus 5 equal to 0. M equal to 5 comma 5. So 5 comma 5 is a real and same. So these two roots are real and same. We have to apply this complementary function is y equal to ax plus b e power mx is the formula. So y equal to ax plus b e power m can be replacing by 5. So ax plus b e power 5x is equation number 1. Next we have to compute the two particular integrals. So one is this is pi1, this is pi2. So 4e power 5x is pi1 and 5 is pi2. First we have to compute pi1. So pi1, so 1 by the given function d square 1 by d square minus 10d plus 25 into 4e power 5x. 4 is some number, so this can be taken as a first 1 by d square minus 10d plus 25 into e power 5x. 4 into again e power 5x. So d can be replacing by 5. So 1 by 5 square 10 minus 10 into 5 plus 25 into e power 5x. So 4 into 1 by 5 square minus 10 into 5 plus 25 equal to e power 5x. So 4 into 1 by 25 minus 50 plus 25 e power 5x. So implies 4 into 1 by 0 into e power 5x. 1 by 0 is this not a solution, so fails. So again go back to this function. We have to applying this already known the property. This property is we have to introduce x divided by differentiate with respect to d and e power x property. So again go back to this function. This function can be differentiated with respect to d. So we have to introduce x divided by differentiate with respect to d means 2d minus 10. This one is become 0. 4 is already taken as a first. Okay, so 4 into we have to introduce x. This previous function can be differentiated with respect to d means 2d minus 10 into e power x. Again d can be replacing by 5. So 4 into x by 2 into 5 minus 10 into e power 5x. So 4 into x by again 10 minus 10 is 0. Again fails. This function is again failed. Again go back to this function. Already the final result is 4 into x divided by 2d minus 10 into e power 5x. So this function is fails. So again we have to apply the same property a equal to x by differentiate the denominator with respect to d into e power x. So this function, so again 4. Again we have to introduce one more x. So x into x. So x into x divided by this function can be differentiated with respect to d means differentiation of d is 1. So value is 2. This one is become 0. So x into x by 2 into e power x. So 4 into x into x square by 2 into e power x. 2 to cancel. So the particular integral is 2 into x square e power 5x. Is equation number. Here particular integral 2 is 1 by d square minus 10d plus 25 5. Only number 5 is given. So number 5 it can be taken as a front 1 divided by d square minus 10d plus 25. So already 5 is taken in the front means okay, automatically this place is taken as a 1. So 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 can be taken in front. So this place is 1. So 1 can be replacing by, this can be written in another manner, e power 0x. Generally anything by 0 is equal to 1. So anything by 0x is 1. So 1 can be replacing by e power 0x. 0x means d can be replacing by 0. So the d place 0 square minus 10 into 0 plus 25 into e power 0x. So 5 into 1 by 25 into e power 0x. So which implies 5 by 25 into 1. 5 times of 25 is 1 by 5. Equation number 3. The solution of the differential equation with constant coefficient is y equal to ax plus b into e power 5x plus 2x square e power 5x plus 1 by 5. So we have to add PA1 and PA2, hence the problem. Again go back to problem number 11. Solve 4d square plus 16d plus 15y equal to 4e power minus 3 by 2x. First we have to compute the complementary function. 4m square plus 16m plus 15 equal to 0, a equal to 4, b equal to 16, c equal to 15. By quadratic formula, m equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus 16 plus or minus square root of 16 square minus 4 into 15 by 2 into 4 minus 16 plus or minus square root of 256 minus 240 by 8. So minus 16 plus or minus square root of 16 by 8. So minus 16 square root of 16 is 4. So minus 16 plus or minus 4 by 8. So we have to take the two functions. One is minus 6 plus 4 by 8. Another one is minus 16 plus minus 4 by 8. So minus 16 plus 4 by 8 is minus 12 by 8 comma minus 20 by 8. Cross out these two values. So first one is minus 3 by 2. Second one is minus 5 by 2. Two values are m1 equal to minus 3 by 2, m2 equal to minus 5 by 2. The complementary function is y equal to a e power minus 3 by 2x plus e power minus 5 by 2x. Equation number 1. Next we have to compute the particular integral 1 by 4d square plus 16d plus 15 over e power minus 3 by 2x. 4 is a number. 4 can be taken in as a first. So 1 by 4d square plus 16d plus 15d power minus 3 by 2x. So 4 into 1 by 4 into d can be replaced by minus 3 by 2 square plus 16 into minus 3 by 2 plus 15 into e power minus 3 by 2x. 4 into 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 2 square is 9 by 4 plus 16 into minus 3 by 2, 48 by 2, 15 into e power minus 3 by 2x. 4 into 1 by 9 minus 24 plus 15 into e power minus 3 by 2x. So 4 into 1 by 24 minus 24 into e power minus 3 by 2x. 24 minus 24 is 0. 1 by 0 is fails. Again fails. 1 by 4 means fails. Fails means this is not a solution. Again go back to this original problem. We have to put 4. 1 can be replacing by x. This function can be differentiated with respect to d means 8d plus 16. So this value is, we have to apply this property. 4 into, we have to fix 4 into this x. This function can be differentiated with respect to d means 8d plus 16 into e power minus 3 by 2 x. So which implies 4 into x by, again d can be replacing by minus 3 by 2. So 8 into minus 3 by 2 plus 16 into e power minus 3 by 2 x. 4 into x by minus 12 plus 16 into e power minus 3 by 2 x. So 4 into x by 16 minus 12, 4 e power minus 3 by 2x. 4 cancel. Final answer is x into e power minus 3 by 2x. So the solution of the differential equation is y equal to a e power minus 3 by 2x plus b e power minus 5 by 2x into particular integral value is x into e power minus 3 by 2x. Hence the problem. Again go to problem number 13. Suppose that the quantity demanded q suffix d equal to 13 minus 6p plus 2 dp by dt plus d square p by dt square, and the quantity supplied qs equal to minus 3 plus 2p, where p is the price. Find the equilibrium price for market clearance. In this problem, the quantity demanded, so qd is q suffix d is known as a quantity demanded, and q suffix s is a quantity supply. So these two are equilibrium price, means q suffix d equal to q suffix s. So first we have to take the quantity demand equation. Q suffix d equal to 13 minus 6p plus 2 dp by dt plus d square p by dt square is equation number 1. Again, quantity under supply equal to minus 3 plus 2p, equation number 2. An equilibrium condition, these two are equal. So q suffix d equal to q suffix s. 13 minus 6p plus 2 dp by dt plus d square p by dt square equal to minus 3 plus 2p. These two are equal. 13 minus 6p plus 2 dp by dt plus d square p by dt square plus 3 minus 2p equal to 0. So this is the higher degree. So we have to take d square p by dt square is first. Next one is 2 dp by dt. Third one is minus 6p minus 2p is minus 8p. So finally 13 plus 3 equal to 16 equal to 0. So d square p by dt square is 2 dp by dt minus 8p equal to minus plus 16 can be taken in right hand side, minus 16. So this is the differential equation. The differential equation, the differential can be transformed as d square equal to d square by dt square, d equal to d by dt. So d square by dt square is d square p plus 2 into again d by dt is dp minus 8p equal to minus 16. So d square plus 2d minus 8, p is common, equal to minus 16. So this is the differential equation. In this differential equation, we have to solve this differential equation, find complementary function as well as the particular integral, and see problem. The auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m minus 8 equal to 0. So we have to take the factorize. Minus 8 is split into two parts, 4 and minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Adding these two, plus 2. So m square minus 2m plus 4m minus 8 equal to 0. So m is taken as a common, m minus 2 plus 4 is taken as a common, m minus 2 equal to 0. m plus 4 into m minus 2 equal to 0. m equal to minus 4 comma 2. So these two values are real and different. So m1 equal to minus 4 and m2 equal to 2. The complementary function is p equal to a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. So b equal to a e power minus 4x b e power 2x. So next we have to find out the particular integral value. So particular integral 1 by the given function is d square plus 2d minus 8 into minus 16 is given, right hand side. So minus 16 is the number, so to fix left hand side, so 1 by d square plus 2d minus 8 into, in this place already told in the previous problem is to choose as 1. Minus 16 is already fixed. Minus 16 into 1 is minus 16. So we have to fix 1. 1 is equal to, anything with 0 is equal to 1. So e power 0x equal to 1. So 1 can be transformed by e power 0x. So the d can be replacing by 0. So 0 square plus 2 into 0 minus 8 into e power 0x So implies minus 16 by minus 8 into e power 0x. Minus minus cancel. 2 e power 0x. Anything which is equal to 1. Value is 2. Finally, the solution of the differential equation is y equal to cf plus particular interval pi. So p equal to a e power minus 4x plus b e power 2x plus particular interval is 2, hence the problem.